What's happening, y'all? It's your boy AJ. I'm back again. Simple video today, guys. First of all, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button, hit the red subscription button and the bell so you know if I want to drop more content. But yeah, real simple video, guys. Today we're gonna go ahead and swap the gen on E. Right now it's just on regular 91 pump gas. So I'm gonna head to the station, swap my ECUs out, and then put it back on E. Obviously, E is cheaper. The car will be running at full power again. And yeah, once we swap the ECUs and put it on E, we're gonna have to just take it to Mexico and do a good amount of pulls so I can make sure I get the fuel through the line. So make sure you guys sit tight, enjoy the content, and I'll catch you guys when I get to the station. All right, guys. So as you can see, our gas is nice and low, how it should be. I actually have a check engine light on. It's probably gonna come back on in a second. I need a new speed sensor. So if you see my check engine light coming on, it's because I need a new speed sensor. I use my Blue Driver, which is my portable OBD2 reader right here. Simple, you plug it in to read the codes to figure out what I need. And this TPMS sensor will not go off. But guys, we're here to get the good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this hood, swap this ECU, and start filling this thing up. So yeah, let's get right to it, guys. Let's go. All right, we just swapped the ECU. I need to put the bracket back on that, as well as the TCU. I'm gonna put the bracket on, put this back in, and then put some E in it, and let's go. Well, for some reason, guys, this is not working. So I have to use the pump from over here. But we're guzzling up. We should be almost full soon. There we go, we're full. 58 bucks. Let's go, let's get it. All right, we just filled it up. First start on E85 again.
System ready.
Actually, I need to go get my GoPro. So yeah, let me go grab that. I'm gonna start doing some pulls, start burning this off, getting this a little bit more normalized, and we should be good. Let's get up out of here. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy AJ. I'm back again. Guys, we just filled up the G just now with E all the way again to the top. So this is day 2. Where we're gonna be going in and breaking in this tune in the gen, doing some pulls, really just getting the transmission. It's gonna take a while. I mean, in any event, you guys said the transmission was slipping. The transmission's gotta get used to stuff, guys, right? And it may have been slipping. It's not a brand new transmission, but that's what we're doing, guys. It's gonna take some time. We have to actually break this in just like we did when we tuned the car. So it'll take some time for it to get used to this transmission, get used to how I'm driving it. And really, I need to get all this fuel through the lines as well, so that the car, you know, is drinking E85 and is not drinking a mix of E85 and 91. But that's enough talking, guys. I got to get driving, so I'm gonna get back with you guys when I get to Mexico. All right, y'all. We just got to the spot. Got my trusty flashlight. It's actually pretty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and take this flashlight, inspect under my car, make sure I don't have any weird nails in my tires, any cracked control arms, any weird things going on with my strut braces. Again, this is a bigger car, so you just want to make sure that, you know, at higher speed, it's not a sports car. It does have some body wobble, but it's very fun. I feel like I'm back, guys. I love this car. It's so responsive. I feel like swapping this ECU back into this car has brought me back to life. I think the best word that I can use to describe this car now is just, it's responsive, right? Now, this car stock is pretty responsive for the most part, but I just think the responsiveness is on a whole nother level with this ECU, especially gears 1, 2, 3, 4, you name it, you know, all the way up to 5 and 6, you're still pulling. So, yep, salute to you, George, again. And yeah, let me go inspect this real quick and I'll get back with you guys in a second. runs great, guys. Car is running absolutely flawless as it should be. And yeah, I think today we're gonna wrap up the pulls because it's getting late, and yeah, I don't want to keep doing pulls here. I'll probably just go and get some more pulls done somewhere else, and yeah, just keep breaking it in. So I'll probably get some more clips tomorrow, but that's enough for today, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next segment.